Today I've come up with a very exciting topic which most of you have requested: how to make or how to earn 50k per month as a beginner using the online skill. So most of us don't know where to start the career. Most of us have this self-doubt of how can I earn some money, or how can I even achieve that 50k goal without having any experience, without having any online skills. So this video is for you if you are thinking that you want to make 50k per month using some online skills, then please continue to watch this video. Hello guys, this is Shailaja. Let's start the video. You need to first choose a platform which is globally recognized, identified and used by billion of users. So I'm talking about Facebook. Now everybody thinks that Facebook is not for me, or I don't know anything about the marketing and sales. Listen to me first, because even I thought the same thing, and Facebook is the first platform helped me to reach from 4k to 95k even as a beginner. So you have to pay attention to listen carefully, because I'm going to spill out a lot of easy hacks and things how you can also start making 50k per month as a beginner, or even at least first couple of months itself. First thing is you need to know the basics of Facebook. And second thing is there is something called a Facebook lead generation. Facebook has many other services, but I would highly recommend you to choose the Facebook lead generation services. What is Facebook lead generation services? This is nothing but you can generate the leads or a potential audience to any one of your clients depending on the business niche and industry, and you want to collect the data of a customer, like maybe their name, contact number or email ID. It could be maximum of these three, or it could be any of the two. So mainly email ID. So when you collect the data and you share it with your client, the client will take it to the next level of contacting them personally, or calling them or emailing them and trying to convert them to their paid customers. Now your job here is to just collect the data or collect the leads and share it with the clients. So what is the best part of this? You're not making any sales. You're not promising anything to your client. That you're gonna convert them to sales. So as a beginner, it's a really good start with only generating leads, not promising the sales. The next best point is you need not require too many skills or application to start off with the lead generation campaign. Example, you just need to understand the audience for your potential niche or clients. The best part of Facebook lead generation campaign is you don't require any website, landing page link or any other external link. You can just collect the information only using the lead generation form. All you need to learn is how to create a Facebook lead generation ads. So it is nothing but the copies and creatives. So copy is nothing but the text where you add the titles and the body or the script of the ads and call to action button. Creatives is nothing but the video ads or the image ads, what you create for your clients. So these are the only two things plays major role to create the ad. You just need to remember here, understand the fundamentals of Facebook, like how to create a lead generation campaign. Next, you need to remember three things: your audience, your ad copies and your creatives. These are the only three things required to run or launch a lead generation campaign for any business. The best part of the lead generation is it is very easy to collect, or even if somebody is not trying to enter manually, system is going to auto capture the details, and when they click on the submit button, it's going to send you all their contact details through the Facebook lead generation form. In this way, cost per lead is going to be really less compared to any other ads. Best point is it is very easy to collect the leads with low cost. Hey Shailaja, how can I make 50k by just running the lead generation campaign? Now, as I said, if you know the fundamentals and these three things of running the lead generation ad campaigns, the next comes to the pricing of your services. Now, if you know this much of knowledge, you can immediately start charging from 7k to 10k INR for the Indian clients, because this is the least amount what you can charge for the lead generation, because you are giving a huge leads data to your clients, and you can bifurcate it to weekly basis. Maybe you can give 200 leads per week, and it is really possible, guys. It's really easy to generate 200 leads per week, no matter what is the niche. So when you promise at least 500 to 600 leads per month, you can easily charge 10,000 per clients. Now imagine if you can do this lead generation campaign for 5 clients per month, then it's going to multiply 5 into 10 is 50k per month. And you are not going to use a different strategy, because if you know these three fundamentals, like how to launch a lead generation campaign, audience, how to write a copy, and how to create a creatives. Only these things are required to start off with the lead generation campaign. Now, if you are thinking that how I'm going to do this, now this is this is the most exciting things I have come up so far, because I am coming up with a free training of how to run a Facebook lead generation campaign and make 50,000 per month. Within a day, you can learn this skill. I'm conducting this training on this coming Saturday, which is on 28th, 6 p.m. This training is for the beginner who does not have any online skills, marketing skills, or even Facebook marketing skills, Absolutely, this training is for you, because this training is designed in such a way that any beginner can understand. Even if you're an employee, you wanted to earn some part-time income, because we can see a lot of firing happening in many of the IT companies or MNC companies. A lot of people lost their jobs, or even looking for a job security, or thinking about, I want to earn something part-time. You can also join this program, because if you think that okay, marketing is not my thing, remember guys, you are missing something very major chunk, because this does not require hours and hours. You just need to spend 1 or 2 hours per day, and you can still generate this much of amount. Because this is what I used to do when I was charging only 4K for one client, and gradually I multiplied and I increased my price. I increased from 4K to 10 to 15K per client, and it was easy for me to handle 4 clients per month. So you can also do it. So if you wanted to achieve any big number, it all depends on the multiplication number game, what you're gonna do for yourself. It depends on you, how many clients you want to work with and how much you wanted to charge. So start as a beginner. I can assure you one thing, that you can easily go, you can blindly start this. Just attend the training. I'm gonna show you these things. So number 1, I'm going to show you how to create a lead generation campaign. Number 2, I'm going to cover the fundamentals of Facebook marketing, what is needed for a beginner to start immediately. You need to know everything to start as a Facebook marketing. Number 3, I'm going to show you what are the booming niche, or what are the niche always required leads and very easy to generate through the Facebook lead generation campaign. Number 5, how to do the pricing and how to approach any clients, locally, domestic, or even international clients. I'm going to show you how to get the clients in multiple ways. Not only through this approaching the clients, I'm going to show you how to get clients in 3 different ways. And a very important thing is, I'm going to show you how to write a successful Facebook ad copy. You can just pick the template and you can just modify it to whatever the niche, whatever the business, or whatever the intention of your ad, and just make a minor changes and run the ad for your business. So I'm going to give you the templates, cheat sheets, worksheets, and also I'm going to show you how to do the Facebook creatives like images, video ads, or carousel post for your lead generation ad campaigns. If you consolidate all these things, this particular training itself is worth of like 5 to 10K, but I'm coming up with completely for free, because I really want anybody thinking that I want to change something, I want to learn something, I want to improvise, I want to earn something extra, or I want to start generating income from this 2023. This is my gift for you guys who's really planning to change their career, who's really having a big goals, or who thinks that I cannot achieve the 50K, and I really want them to achieve the 50K per month. So basically, to start off anything new, you just need a lot of mind shift as well. So even in this training, we're going to talk about how you can actually consistently do this, how you can change the mentality of I cannot do this to I can do anything. What are the best practices as a freelancer, or even to start off with the Facebook lead generation campaigns? What are the little bit of tweaks you have to do when it comes to the mindset and habits? So because earning money is not just one topic. It also needs a lot of discipline, or not only the discipline, it also needs a lot of mentality or mindset and beliefs. So if you don't believe that this training is going to work for you, this training will not work for you. If you don't believe that I cannot make 50K, then you cannot make 50K. If you don't believe that I can learn, if you believe that I cannot learn the Facebook marketing, then you will not learn the Facebook marketing. So your mind is going to work according to what you think and believe. So believe me guys, so remember, you're not going to regret of attending this training, because I'm going to give you so much of value adds. I'm going to give you a lot of value adds. I'm going to give you a lot of marketing skills. I'm going to give you some templates and worksheets and sheets which can help you immediately start these services from the next day after attending my training. I'm going to give you that much of confidence inside this training, because I am using a unique method of 5W1H method, which is nothing but 5 is nothing but who, when, what, where, why, and H is how. So this 5W1H has got a unique pattern of finding out answer for all the questions in the world. You have any problem, you try to use this 5W1H method and try to solve in this way, because this is going to find most of the answers or most of the complicated questions solved easily. So we are using this 5W1H method to solve this or to attend this training. That is the specialty of our training. So if you are curious to know and wanted to learn the skill and earn 50k per month immediately coming from next month, do not miss the opportunity to attend this free training, because later it is going to charge some amount, so only it is free for some time now. So please go to the description. I have given the link in the description box below. Please click on the link and register yourself. Also, please send me an email or DM me on the Instagram that you have registered. I'll be happy, and you can send me any queries through the emails or send me the DM on the Instagram. I'll be happy to assist you if you have any further questions. So I am really excited to see you guys inside the training. I really want everybody to take advantage of this training and start making your 50k goal achieve easily. That's all from today's video, guys. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments. Please share this with the people, whomever you think it is really useful for them, and do not miss to share the link as well. I'll see you soon maybe in one of the next video. Thank you so much.